ClickFunnels 2.0 is an upgraded version of the platform, offering improved features for building high-converting sales funnels. Here's a beginner's guide to using it. Set up your workspace. Log into ClickFunnels 2.0 at ClickFunnels. Create your workspace, which acts as your main hub for managing funnels, websites, and courses. Build a funnel. Click Funnels in the dashboard and choose Create Funnel. Use the funnel builder to select a pre-designed template or build from scratch. Define the funnel goal, such as generating leads, selling products, or webinar signups. Use the visual editor. The drag and drop editor in ClickFunnels 2.0 makes it easy to customize pages. Add elements like images, forms, countdown timers, and videos. Update content and design to match your branding. Add integrations. Connect tools like email marketing software, payment processors, and CRMs in the settings section. Publish and optimize. Test your funnel using the built-in preview tool. Go live by publishing your funnel and sharing its URL. Monitor analytics to track performance and make improvements.